Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Down a Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're very new right on over here, it's always a special welcome to you. And we thank you so much for being a part of the family. Those who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, manners and respect. Now today, if you had noticed the last video, the jerk rice, my jerk rice, okay? I did not put the things that I used to make the jerk marinade in the description of the video because I wanted to do this jerk marinade and to show you. So I'm going to do it today differently, and I'm going to be adding maybe just two, maybe one or two or maybe three more ingredients to it. Now what I want to say to you about this, it was really spicy yesterday. Keldan said, I hope you all saw Keldan's comment. He said, family y'all, do the pepper to soothe. That was really strong. Now it was really strong in the rice, because rice as opposed to meat, it would be really strong in there. Okay, the rice doesn't have the capacity to hold the spice as the meat. You know what I'm saying? Remember, the meat is meat, you know, so the meat thicken the meat, you know, and cook, so it will just absorb all of the spiciness. So it was really spicy in the rice, but some people don't mind it. I personally didn't mind it, you know, because me can't really hold me eat. You understand? So it wasn't really a problem. It's just I was thinking that probably I should have used less pepper for the rice. But in the meat, it would not be so hot because I only use one scotch bonnet. That's the only one me use. And if you're making a marinade to do some chicken or some pork, you use one scotch bonnet in there. Unless if you're doing a mild one. Okay? Unless you're doing a mild one. And don't mind all you with your stomachs that can't take it. You know, some of we have a little stomach problem and we have to try to facilitate everybody. I'm going to do a really mild one for you. So this here is the first of a lot. This is the first of a whole host of jerk marinades to come. Jerk marinade for different type of meat. Remember, I always say to you, each meat has its own specific flavor, and you have to select herbs and spices to match those flavors, else you're not going to get no good eat. Now this one that I'm doing, I just want to know if you use it on chicken. I'm suggesting to you that you use this on chicken only. I will come with one for the pork as we go along. This is suggested for chicken only. Let's proceed. So the base of this thing, as all times I tell you, you want some green scallion. And do not worry about the proportion or the measurements of what I'm using. I will leave for you in the description of the video the amount of stuff that you're to use. I leave a proportionate measurement. And I will also tell you the amount it is supposed to yield. And I will also in the description tell you how many pounds of chicken it is suitable to marinate. Okay? So just look at all that I'm putting in. Don't worry about measurement and all of that. I'll put it in the description of the video for you. I remember I told you, this is like the chicken only. Because look here, I'm going to do it for you like you never get it before. Alright. So, we're putting in some green scallions. That's the base, as me tell you. We're putting in some green thyme, not dry thyme. Green thyme. Try to leave off the harder stalks. You know, the stalks that are because listen to me. The stalk have some flavor in it for the jerk, you know. So you leave off the harder ones, okay? Because the stalk have flavor too, you know. And if you know, well, probably you're not sure, but in most of the jerks, them use the stalk at the time. But like these hard ones, you leave them out, eh? So you put in your thyme, your fresh thyme. You don't have to chop the garlic cloves. Okay? You can just put in your garlic cloves. If you don't like no whole heap of garlic, put where you like. But if you like, you know, you will know when I leave it how you want it. And remember, I told you I'm gonna do one that is mild, that almost anybody or baby can eat it. Okay, I'll show you how. So chop up your now this is your ginger. And remember, let me tell you, all of these things, they were pre-washed. You see? I don't have nothing here, so I'm not wash. I wash my beer already. My peppers were all washed. They're coming from my refrigerator. I'm not put nothing in my fridge unless me wash it. I have here some scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, and it's rude. It's go rude. You see what I'm saying? This is gonna be rude. Because this is for chicken. This one is not for the rice. You see? I might have to adjust the one for the rice and give you a different blend for the rice. Okay? This is for chicken only. So, make we get in a scotch bonnet pepper here. And you can use your gloves. But you must be careful. If you're not using your gloves, be careful. And if you use gloves, be careful also. Now, you want to put in some cinnamon powder. And any amount of cinnamon powder you put in that amount of sugar. Okay? But I will leave it for you. So this wasn't so full up, so I could just put a little more. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. And you can use some cayenne pepper also. And also some paprika. The paprika, now do not a God Almighty thing one put color in it. It don't have no flavor unless it's the smoke one. Putting in some whole cloves in this. We're going to be putting in a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. We didn't use that yesterday. We're going to be putting in a little white vinegar. Try to use white vinegar and not the apple cider at this point where we have so much pepper in. Go low. Don't use apple cider. And this is our liquid that we're going to use to blend. We're going to be using, yes, we're going to be needing this whole bottle of red stripe beer, okay? So we are going to go now. We have everything almost. So I think so. So we are going to go now. We're going to blend it and we're going to get this thing all blended out and come back, okay? Okay, family, all blended out. So I come back to you with the same color as what I used yesterday. And this is what you have here. Try to use like the glass blender jug. It's easier to wash out, you know, because you know the plastic, it hold the thing. So first, this is what it looks like. This is what you'll have. This is how you want it. All right, Alex, you know, this is good. You don't want it that when you blend it out, it have the large chunks of the scallion and all of them something in here. You want also to use a glass jar with not a plastic cover, some metal or glass, or well, you can have glass cover. Well, you could, but it wouldn't be, you know. So you want something with a metal, sort of metal cover and a glass. Don't use plastic, okay? So you're gonna be pouring it now. We have just a little bit left over, and you will use it. You'll cover it, and you'll leave it on your cupboard for about 3 days to get the right blend for your chicken. I'm sorry. I am suggesting this for your chicken only for now. I'll come with one for you for your pork. Me I gonna come with one for the beef. I'm gonna come with one for lamb. I'm gonna come with one for fish, etc. Now, this is it. Okay, this is what you want. This is a marinade, and I said to you, you have paste, you have jerk paste, you have jerk marinade. That is what I am saying. People might want to oppose it, but I don't probably even want to say it with them. In my kitchen, I have marinade, jerk marinade. I make jerk marinade, I make jerk paste and I make dry jerk rub. Okay, I do that. Let me start speaking for myself from now. Okay, I'm sharing my experience, my everything with you. This is all about you and I. So this is what you have. So you store it in a glass jar and look at the color. It is so pretty. Mind you, if you added some paprika to it, it would have a little change of color. No flavor the paprika adds except the smoked one. Okay, and it would give this, like, turn it like a slightly reddish color. So if you don't want it to have this color, you can, if you don't want it having this color, you'll have to put the paprika. But if you want it to have this sort of greenish looking color, you'll have to omit the paprika. Now I'm going to introduce to you on other jerk blends videos. Not now, not on this one. Smoke, liquid smoke. Yes, this is my liquid smoke. I did it from scratch. I know you're going to say, Miss Debbie, where the video? Yes, I have the video, but I have not uploaded it. I've not uploaded it as yet. I did this about almost 2 months now. This is my homemade liquid smoke. I will be introducing to you on another video how you can, because this is just jerk blend. You don't get the smoke flavor with it yet to mix with it to make it be the perfect jerk. But when you want to jerk indoors, when the weather is cold or you just don't want to go outside, how do you get that smoke flavor with the jerk flavor? How do you get the smoke flavor with this flavor where the spices and herbs give you? If you are into liquid smoke, you can stick around for that video sometime to come. If you're not, well, you will not want to hear it. This is my homemade liquid smoke. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. When you do, remember to do it so in a principled and decent form. Okay, and if you want to be a member for a post notification shout out, all you've got to do, just what I said before, just subscribe, hit the bell. When time the bell go off and you get a notification, you just leave your comments, principled and decent. Okay, remember also that our donation button is back up on the channel. It is PayPal. Thank you so much for those of you who have donated, who are still donating, and those of you who would like to donate, thanks in advance. Okay, today's post notification shout out goes to another Mr. Jamaican cooking journey, Lord Biros Sama. Lord Biros, manners and respect, sir. Okay, like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. Debbie from Yard, bless, no stress. Remember, this, I am just suggesting this for your chicken only for now. Please do enjoy. Happy jerking.